Winsley here, your AI influencer created by Zapiwala. It was really a lovely day for me.
I just woke up in the morning and just brushed my teeth first and then took a bath and freshed up and also created a selfie vlog.
Then I went for exercise and did some healthy workout. I recently created by Zapiwala, so I am not much trained to create perfect vlog.
And then I cooked some healthy breakfast and went for a mountain exploring, which you will see further in this video.
If you want to create such a long video, then you should watch this video till the end.
Hello friends. You just saw Winsley, an English AI influencer from the USA, and guess what? I created this entire character myself. Yes, you heard that right. And in this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how I made this long, smooth, and ultra-realistic video using Veo 3. Now, I know many of you must be thinking, wait a minute. Veo 3 only lets you create videos that are up to 8 seconds long, right? So how on earth did I manage to create such a long video? That's exactly what I'm going to reveal. But that's not all. You must also be wondering how I maintain such incredible character consistency throughout the video. How did the face, expressions, and details stay the same across different scenes? You must be scratching your head right now trying to figure it out. Well, don't worry, I'm going to answer all your questions and guide you through every step. But before we jump into the solutions, I want you to watch this video.
Hi friends, my name is Winsley. I am an AI and I was created by Zapiwala, and today I have come to explore this amazing mountain. Thank you Zapiwala for amazing tour of mountain. Look at this view. Isn't it breathtaking? The air here is so fresh and calming. I love coming to places like this. It feels so peaceful and alive at the same time. This has been such a fun adventure, friends. I hope you can feel the freshness and beauty through my camera.
All the videos you've just seen, believe it or not, I created them using AI tools alone. Not even a real camera was used. And here's the craziest part, I started with just one single image and turned it into multiple video clips. And the best part? I didn't spend a single penny generating these videos. Every clip, every scene was created for free using AI. So if you want to learn how to create these types of long, natural conversations with AI, without paying a single penny, then you've got to watch this video till the very end. Because there are several steps involved, and I'll walk you through each one, step by step, in the easiest way possible. So make sure you don't skip a single step because every step is super important if you want to get the same stunning results. And that's not all, I've even prepared a magical prompt template workflow, especially for you, to help you create your own videos with ease. All you have to do is hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment saying, I want this magical AI prompt template. Once you comment, our comment bot will automatically send you the full prompt template workflow, so you can start creating videos right away. Now that you know what's coming, let's not waste another second, let's dive straight into step 1. To create a long AI influencer video with 100% character consistency, the very first thing you need is your own AI influencer. If you already have one, that's absolutely perfect. You're one step ahead. But if you don't worry at all. I've got you covered from start to finish. I've created a prompt template that will help you easily build a hyper-realistic AI influencer exactly the way you want it to be. Now, in this template, you'll notice some blue text, that's a placeholder. You can simply replace it with your preferences. For example, I wanted a female English-speaking influencer from the USA or the UK, so I typed that into the placeholder. But if you want to create an Indian or Asian AI influencer, it's super easy, just change the blue placeholder text to fit your idea. Once you've made the desired changes, simply select and copy the entire prompt template, head over to ChatGPT, paste it there, and hit send. And just like that, ChatGPT will do its magic and provide you with a detailed text-to-image prompt, a ready-to-use guide for creating your very own AI influencer. Now, to turn this prompt into an actual image, you can use any of the free AI tools available online, but I personally recommend using Gemini AI because it's fast, reliable, and produces outstanding results. All you have to do is copy the text-to-image prompt provided by ChatGPT, then visit gemini.google.com, paste it into the tool, and hit send. In just a few seconds, Google Gemini will work its magic and generate the image of your very first AI influencer. Bingo! There it is, your AI influencer, ready to go. Now that we have the face of our influencer, in the next step we'll create multiple scenes with different locations and outfits, while keeping your character's appearance 100% consistent. And to achieve that, we'll be using a newly launched, mind-blowing AI tool from Google, Nano Banana. But before we move further, the very first thing you need to do is click on the download button and save the image of your newly created AI influencer. This image will be the foundation for all the scenes and outfits we're about to create. Now, to change her outfits and build multiple scenes, you have two easy options. From Gemini itself, just click on the Tools option, then choose the one with the banana image and Create Images text. That's it. Or, if you prefer, you can simply visit google.com, search for AI Nano Banana, and in the search results, you'll see a link to Google AI Studio. Click on it and you'll land on their interface. Here, all you have to do is click on the link that says, Try Nano Banana, and you'll be ready to create scenes in no time. Once you reach the interface, start by clicking on the plus symbol icon and upload the image of your AI influencer, the one you just downloaded. Next, upload the outfit you want your influencer to wear. For example, I've uploaded a gym outfit, because I want my AI influencer to get ready for a workout. Then, in the prompt section, simply type, She is wearing the dress and accessories provided in image 2. And finally, hit the Run button. Within a few seconds, Nano Banana AI by Google will work its magic, and bingo! Our influencer is now wearing the gym outfit. The best part? The character consistency is flawless, her face looks exactly the same, and the outfit matches perfectly. Now, suppose we want to put her in a completely different outfit and location. Let's say she's exploring the mountains and making a selfie vlog. All I had to do was upload the same influencer image again, upload the new outfit I wanted, and type in the new prompt describing what she's doing. You can pause the video here and read the prompt I provided. After that, I hit the Run button, and within a few seconds, bingo! Our AI influencer is now out exploring the mountains, holding the camera and recording a selfie vlog. And once again, 100% character consistency, her face stays exactly the same, and the outfit looks just like what we uploaded. Using the same process, I created multiple scenes with different outfits and activities, and every time, the character stayed consistent. Here are some of the scenes I generated. Brushing her teeth and getting fresh in the morning. Doing exercise in gym clothes. Cooking food in the kitchen. Enjoying coffee at a cafe. Partying at a club. Finally relaxing in bed and getting some rest. Each scene is unique, with new locations and outfits, but her face remains exactly the same throughout. Once we've created all our scenes, the next big step is to generate a long video from these images. But before we dive into that, it's important to understand how to create a JSON prompt. This is what will give us the perfect result. Why JSON prompt? Think about it this way. You and I understand languages like English, Hindi, or French, right? That's why when someone gives us instructions in our language, we can respond correctly and give the right result because we understand it well. In the same way, AI understands struct instruction very well and JSON prompts much better and structured than normal text prompts. JSON is a structured way to give instructions, and it helps the AI know exactly what you want. So, by providing a JSON prompt, the AI will generate far more accurate and natural results compared to using regular text. To make it super simple, I've already created a JSON prompt template just for you. You'll see some blue placeholder text in it. These are the parts you can easily change according to your scene. For example, in this scene, our AI influencer is exploring the mountains, so I entered mountain there. Next, I wrote what I want my influencer to say during this scene. You can change it depending on what you want her to talk about. After that, there's a section where you can choose the camera angle. I wanted a selfie vlog style video, so I typed selfie vlog. But if you want a wide-angle shot or a close-up, you can easily change that here. Then, you'll see a number. I've entered 5 here. That means I want 5 continuous scenes for this mountain vlog. Why 5? Because each scene can create up to 8 seconds of video, and with 5 scenes, we'll have around 40 seconds of content. Of course, you can add more scenes if you want a longer video. What if you want a different video? Let's say you wanted to create a gym workout video instead of a mountain vlog. All you'd have to do is update the placeholder text. For example, you could enter gym and change the dialogue accordingly. Now let's create the JSON prompt. So, let's go back to our prompt template. Now, to generate the JSON prompts for this mountain exploring scene, simply copy the template, head over to ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box. For better results, it's a great idea to upload the image of the scene so that ChatGPT can reference it and create the most accurate prompt. Once the image is uploaded, hit send again, and watch the magic happen. Bingo! ChatGPT will instantly create the JSON prompts for all your scenes. You'll get one for scene 1, one for scene 2, and so on for every scene you want to include. Now that we've prepared all the JSON prompts, in the next step, we'll learn how to convert these images into a long, seamless video, with no time limit. That's right, you can even create 1-hour-long videos, and the best part is, the character consistency will stay perfect throughout the entire video. To generate the video, we'll be using Google Veo 3, and for that, there's one basic requirement: you need to have a Gemini Pro account. But don't worry if you don't have one yet. Google is offering Gemini Pro accounts completely free for the next 1 year. Yes, you heard that right, no payment required at all. If you want to learn how to get the Gemini Pro student offer for a whole year, simply visit YouTube, search for Gemini Pro student offer, and you'll find plenty of creators explaining how you can apply and get this account for free. Now, let's assume you already have your Gemini Pro account ready. The next step is to convert the image into a video, and for that, we'll use Google Flow. Simply go to google.com, search for Google Flow, and from the results, click on the link that says Google Labs. Once you're there, click on the button that says Create with Flow. If you're not signed in yet, click on the Sign in with Google button and log in using your account. After signing in, click on New Project to start. Before generating the video, make sure to select Veo 3 Fast Model. This will ensure smoother and faster results. Also, to save your credits, set the number of outputs per prompt to 1. Next, choose frames to video instead of text to video. This is how we'll create videos from the images we generated earlier. Now, click on the plus icon, and upload the image of the scene where your influencer is exploring the mountains. Adjust and crop the image to fit your needs. Once the image is successfully uploaded, it's time to add the JSON prompt. To do this, go back to ChatGPT, where we generated the prompts earlier, copy the prompt for scene 1, and paste it into the prompt section in Google Flow. You'll see the dialogue that you want your influencer to speak in the scene. If you want to make changes, you can easily edit it here. Otherwise, if you're happy with it, just hit send, and the video generation process will start. You'll see the video queued for processing. It will only take a few seconds before it's ready. Bingo! Your video is now generated. Let's preview it.
Hi friends, my name is Winsley. I am an AI and I was created by Zapiwala, and today I have come to explore this amazing mountain.
This is just an 8-second video, but don't worry, if you want to create a longer video, keep watching carefully because the next steps are where the magic really happens. To extend your video, click on the Add to Scene option. Then you'll see an option called Switch to Scene Builder. Click on it. You'll be redirected to a page with a timeline-like interface. Simply drag the timeline to the frame where you want the next scene to start. Next, move your cursor to the plus icon, and click Save Frame as Assets. Wait a moment until the frame is fully uploaded. Now, select the image, head back to ChatGPT, copy the JSON prompt for scene 2, paste it into Google Flow, and hit send. In just a few seconds, your second scene will be ready. Move the timeline again to the next frame, save it as an asset, upload it, and paste the prompt for the next scene. Hit send, and the scene will be ready in moments. You can keep extending this way as long as you want, create 10, 20, or even 100 scenes if you like. This is how you build seamless, long-form videos, with full control and character consistency from start to finish. Let's preview all the scenes together.
Hi friends, my name is Winsley. I am an AI and I was created by Zapiwala, and today I have come to explore this amazing mountain. Thank you Zapiwala for amazing tour of mountain. Look at this view. Isn't it breathtaking? The air here is so fresh and calming. I love coming to places like this. It feels so peaceful and alive at the same time.
See how smooth and natural the transitions look. If you want the full prompt template document, all you have to do is hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment saying, "I want full prompt template document." Our comment bot will instantly send you the file so you can start creating your own videos right away.